Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to see top 10 Tableau interview based ask scenario questions. So this is the very most frequently asked question in the Tableau or data analyst interview scenarios. So let's start with the first scenario, create waterfall chart. So for this you need to drag subcategory and drag cells. This is a very quick and frequently asked scenarios in the Tableau interview question. So you need to prepare for this. So this is the very IMP top 10 interview asks based ask scenarios. So watch till the end. So this is a we have taken subcategory in the column and sum of cells in the rows. Now make it as a ascending to descending, sort it, and create it as a Gantt bar from the marks pane and drag this sum of cells with the help of control in this size. So as you can see, your waterfall chart is created within a 1 minute. The next scenario is take subcategory voice cells. So first we will take subcategory voice cells. Okay, I have already added the average line. You need to go in the analytics and add to average line in the tables pane. I have already added it. So when you add this average line from this analytics pane, you need to create one calculation field. I will show you again. Go to analytics pane, add average line from the table and go into this drop down arrow, create calculated field, color bars. You can take any name as per your requirement and write this calculation field if sum of cells is less than equal to window average. We need to use window average window function here, then window average sum of cells, then sum of cells, then what we want sum of cells, else we want window average sum of cells, else we want end this function. Okay, drag this calculation field in front of sum of cells, make it as a dual axis, and when you make it as a dual axis you want below average line bars in different color and above average line bars in different color. So for that you need to synchronize this axis, and when you synchronize this axis, as you can see, below average line bars in different color and above average line bars is a different color. So that's it in this scenario. We will move to our third scenario, that is find YTD. So for that you need to drag order date in the rows and you need to write one calculation field. I will name it as YTD, and for YTD you need to do some calculation that if year of order date, okay, because we want to find YTD, then year of today, because we want to find year till date or year to date, then sales, otherwise end. So that's it in this YTD, and drag this YTD into the text, and as you can see our year to date sales is here. So that's it for this scenario. Then we will move to our fourth scenario, that is fetch left 3 characters in every subcategory. So first I will drag subcategory into the rows So in this scenario, what we want first three characters, left three characters in each subcategory. So what interviewer want suppose this accessory. So interviewer want ACC, APP, ART, BIN, BOO, CHA. So left three characters or first three characters from every word. So for that you need to do one calculation field, and I will name it as left three characters. Okay, and you need to do one calculation field, that is left string is our subcategory, comma how many numbers you want to fill, that is 3, and press OK, and drag this calculation field in this text, and as you can see your left three characters are here. Like that, if you want to find mid three characters, so you need to add mid, string is subcategory, comma start is 2, comma length is 2. So it will take two characters from the middle in every subcategory. So as I will show you, look at this, it will take, I will start with 2 and take two characters. So from 2, C and C, this is the two characters, P and P, R and T, second and third character it will take, because I will select it in the calculation field like that. Then likewise, if you want suppose write three characters, so same calculation field, press write, string is subcategory, comma number of characters we want to fetch 3. So this calculation field fetch from right side, from this side, E, S, E, I. So as you can see, S, E, I, C, S, C, S, A, R, T, because this is only three words character, so it will take all. So likewise, you can fetch whatever characters you want, like left, middle, or right. Then our next scenario is take region and take sales percentage. And when I unselect any region from filter, other region percentage will be same. So I will take region and I will take sales here and make it as percent of total. Just one sec. Okay. And make this as a percentage. So whenever I will, suppose I will take it in the filter. Yeah. So whenever I will unselect West, so other regions percentage will be remain same. It does not change. So for that, what I need to do? So you need to do one calculation field, that is fix region. You need to use sorry, you need to use yellow here. So the calculation is fix region sum of cells, and you need to complete this and you need to divide it again sum of cells, because we want to fix the sum of cells of the region, and that this fixed region sum of cells calculation here, make it as a discrete, format it, make it as percentage. Now as you can see, if I unselect waste region, so it will change because I did not use any LOD here, but I have used LOD here in this fixed region calculation. So all the three other region percentage will be remain same, but in this scenario it will changes. So this is the way you can fix if you unselect south. So 21 and 29 is fixed, but it is divided in these two regions. If I select south and if I select west, so as you can see, now it will remain same. But when I unselect west, so the first it changes one way in which we have used calculation field or fixed LOD, it is not changes. So this is the scenario interviewer ask. Then we will move to the our next scenario, that is find the date difference in order date. So take order date, make it as exact date, make it as discrete, and create one calculation field. We want to find date difference. Okay, so the calculation field is date difference because we want to find date difference, and we want to find difference between days. So we will take day here. Okay, comma, what we want to find, so we want to find minimum order date, right? So minimum order date, comma, -1. Okay, so this is our offset, and press again comma minimum order date and complete this. So what error it will shows? 1 2 3. So I will again check it, date diff in bracket day, comma lookup minimum order date, comma -1. So I think this bracket is unnecessary here. Yeah, now if I drag this calculation field here, so it will shows the date difference, means difference between the days from 3 to 4 1, 4 to 5 1, from 11 to 13 2. So likewise it will show the difference between order dates. So that's it for this scenario. Then we will move to our next eighth scenario, that is replace subcategory name. So for that, replacing subcategory name, you need to use replace function. So I will name it as a replace name, and I will make it as a replace. Our string is subcategory, comma. So what we want to replace? Suppose in subcategory there is a ES. In every subcategory, most of the categories there is ES. So I want to replace this ES with RR. Okay. So I want to replace this ES with RR. In the single, you need to write it in the single quote because it is a substring. So that's why. And now as you can see, if I drag this in this text, so where is ES available in subcategory, it will change as RR. So look at here, accessories ES, accessory appliances, so here RR, again bookcases, so again bookcases RR, again ES, again RR, again machines RR, phones RR, supplies RR. So likewise all the ES is converted into the RR function. Okay, then our next scenario is find maximum order date for each customer. Okay, so for that you need to write one calculation field, I will name it as find maximum order date for each customer. Okay, so to find maximum order date for each customer, you need to use fix LOD. So I will use fix customer name and take it maximum order date and complete this and enter OK. Take the customer names and take this find maximum order date and make it as exact date. Okay, and make it as discrete. So it will shows you the maximum order date for each customer. So Aaron Bergman have the 10 11 2022 have maximum order date. Aaron Hawkins have 18 20 23 maximum date. So likewise it will show you all the maximum date for each customer. Then our last scenario is highlight maximum sale in each in the table. So suppose I have uh, subcategories. I will take subcategories and I will take sales and I will make it as descending. So as you can see, our maximum sale is 335768. So I want to highlight only this sale. So if I put this sum of sales into the color, so it will highlight all the sales, but I don't want like that. I only want to highlight this chair sale. So for that you need to do one calculation field, that is highlight max sales. This is very IMP scenarios I have taken in this video. Watch till the end, and if you like it, please do like and subscribe this channel. So yeah, so for that you need to do one calculation field. If sum of sales is equal to, you need to use window max function here because we want to highlight maximum sale. So you need to use window function, then we will color it as red and end this calculation field. Press OK and drag this calculation field in this table, and as you can see our maximum value is been highlighted with respective cells. So that's it in this scenario, and our last scenario is create donut chart. So this is a very simple scenario, no need to do so much calculations and stuff like that. You just need to do one thing, double click on the rows, press 0, enter, control and copy this calculation field, go into the all automatic and make it as a pie. After pie, manage the size, make it as dual axis, okay, and add the fields. Suppose I want to add the region here, and oh sorry, I need to add this region in the sum of 0 and adjust the size, and in this I need to add, suppose if I want to add sales, add into the label in sum of 0, add region into the label as well. So as you can see our donut chart is ready within a 2 minutes. So it's a very simple scenario that was asked every most of the interview in the Tableau. interviews. So I hope you like this video. We have completed 10 scenarios in this video. So if you like these scenarios, please do like and subscribe for the channel. And if you want more scenarios like this, please comment me. So that's it for this video. Thank you. Thank you guys.